Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable auto text correction on your Android phone keyboard. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. First you need to open your phone settings. Okay, in the phone settings, scroll down and here you need to find out system. Just tap on it, and here guys you can get the option language and input. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option virtual keyboard. Just tap on it, and here you can get your default keyboard which you are using. So most of the Android user nowadays getting Google keyboard by default. Just open your keyboard like this, and here guys you can get the option text correction. Just tap on it and scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option auto correction. If you want to enable it, just you need to turn on this option. If you want to disable it, just turn off this option. That's it, very simple. From here you can easily enable or disable the auto text correction on your Android keyboard. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.